Aider versus Cursor versus Claude Dev versus Cline. Best AI coding tool. I'm going to tell you about Aider, Cursor, Claude Dev, and Cline. 4 AI-powered tools built to help you write code faster and smarter. Aider works inside your terminal. It reads your code base, takes your Git history into account, and updates files directly through simple prompts. Great for developers who like staying in the command line. Cursor is a VS Code fork with AI built in. You get inline suggestions, doc lookups, and full codebase awareness with GPT-4 Turbo. It feels native because it basically is. Claude Dev is Anthropic's take. It can handle massive context, think full repos, and answer questions clearly. Not an IDE, but pair it with your editor and it becomes a helpful co-pilot for architectural planning or debugging. Cline is the lesser known option, but it's terminal first like Aider. It focuses on simplicity and direct code edits via prompts. Lightweight, minimal UI, very task focused. So which is best? Aider and Cline if you live in the terminal. Cursor if you want deep editor integration. Claude Dev if you need massive context and clarity. Different strengths, pick what fits your workflow.